me, Bagas. This time I will present two topic. Nuclear power plants are not a good source of energy for the future. Of course, this time I'm not alone. I will be accompanied by my colleague, Mrs. Nadia, to explain this topic. Yeah, okay. Now in modern society, we have high energy needs and are trying to find alternative types of energy power plant. Yeah. Nuclear power plant are used more than 30 countries around the world. 30 country, yeah, 30 country in World Nuclear Association. These power stations are capable of generating electricity continuously for months without stopping. Yeah. Nuclear power plant generates electricity through a fusion process. They have the pro and contra. They can be a solution for clean and environmentally friendly energy, but also, yeah, generate radioactive waste and have an impact on the environment. Nuclear power plant are a clean energy solution. Nuclear power plant will not pollute the surrounding water because nuclear power plant use thermal energy from nuclear reactor to produce hydrogen, and by utilizing excess heat from the reactor nuclear power, say with water can be supplied so that the ever increasing need for clean water can be met. However, this nuclear power plant utilizes uranium as fuel so that nuclear reactor can produce hydrogen, where uranium itself is obtained from mining gold. Uranium is also a result of mining which, if consumed continuously, will run out. Yeah, run out. Nuclear power plants have a greater impact on the environment than the waste they produce. For example, open pit mining lead radioactive particles cause erosion, even pollute nearby water source. Yeah. Underground mining is much better and expose miner to large amount of radiation heat, while generating radioactive waste rock during extraction and processing. Okay, thank you.
One of the first things most people think of when they hear about a nuclear power plant is the Chernobyl disaster. Well, we don't know exactly how many people died as a result of the Chernobyl incident. There are an estimated 10,000 deaths from the long-term effect of radiation in the region. The Fukushima power plant crisis in 2011 demonstrated that no matter how safe a nuclear power plant is designed, accidents can and do happen. Nuclear energy production does not produce emission, but produce radioactive waste that must be stored safely so as not to pollute the environment. While radiation may sound scary, we are constantly exposed to small amounts of radioactivity from comic rays or radon in the air we breathe. In small amounts, radiation is harmless, but radioactive waste from nuclear energy production is very dangerous. Nuclear power plants have a greater impact on the environment than just the waste they produce. Uranium mining and enrichment is not environmentally friendly process. Open mining for uranium leave radioactive particle, cause erosion and even contaminate nearby water source. Underground mining expose miners to high amount of radiation while producing radioactive waste rock during extraction and processing. Nuclear power presents a threat to our national security because of nuclear energy. Terrorists may target nuclear power plants with the aim of creating disaster and the uranium used to produce the power could be turned into nuclear weapons if it ends up in the wrong hands. For this reason, safety around nuclear materials and nuclear power plant is extremely important. For this reason, safety around nuclear materials and nuclear power plant is extremely important. Overall, in the end, nuclear power can be seen as a good energy alternative as well as dangerous. Rocket fission power plants are able to create electricity through nuclear reactor. There are pros and cons, but in the end, nuclear energy can be alternative source of power generation. Storage of radioactive waste in a major challenge facing nuclear power plants, since there is no way to destroy nuclear waste. The current solution is safely seal it in a container and store it deep underground so as not to pollute the environment. As technology advances, we hope to find better ways to store radioactive waste in the future. So I think all about nuclear energy. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.